Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Bonbon from LOL Dolls. So let's get started. To draw Bonbon, we're going to first start by drawing her glasses. So I'm going to come right here and start with a curve. So this is just going to be one side. The glasses we're going to start with first. And then let's come over here. I'm going to give an edge to these glasses. Just going to straight line down, angle it a tiny bit, and we're going to bring down a big curve all the way back to here. So let's come right here. Just going to big U, bottom of a U, and we're going to come right back up to that part where we stopped. And about right there, I'll stop. So let's go and draw the other side. So right in between, because this is the center, let's just give it a little bit of a bridge area. So just continue that line a little bit straight, and then we're just going to draw the other side. So I'm just going to go once again all the way. So kind of eyeballing about, say this much, I'll stop. And once again, same thing. Go straight line down and give it a little angle. And once again, draw a big curve that comes back to here. So about right there. And we're going to go right back up to where we stopped on the other side. And from there, let's come right here and we're going to connect this part with a curve. So we have the glasses in. Now let's give an edge to the glasses. I'm just going to basically follow the outside. I'm just going to go all the way around on both sides. I'm going to come up a little bit right here, round this off, and come down and round this part off and connect. So same thing on this side. There. So now let's go inside and add the eyes. So I'm just going to come in this space we've created and draw a huge circle just right inside. So we'll start right here on the edge and just draw a big circle inside. Just fill up the space. Same thing over here. Okay, so now we have that circle in. Let's go in and make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade this all in. So once we shade it in, it's going to be a little bit easier to see. And let's add the lines at the bottom. Same thing over here. So if you love LOL dolls, please make sure to check out my Draw So Cute LOL dolls playlist. And definitely let me know in the comments below what other LOL dolls you want me to draw. Okay, so then let's draw the lines in the bottom. So we have the eyes in now. Let's come to the corner right here and we're just going to add some lashes. Nice thick lashes and just shade it in. So whatever space you have left, add some lashes there. Okay, finally done. So then let's come between the glasses right here in this area and we're just going to draw a cute little smile and cap it off. And then now let's come to the bottom where we started right here on this edge and we're going to start to draw the face. So I'm just going to use this as my point and I'm just going to come down on both sides. So I'm just going to follow that and come down. And we're going to come really close so it's a kind of flattened wide face. So I'm just going to come here and draw a curve and connect it at the bottom. So as you can see, it's pretty wide and flat. So then from there, let's come to this corner right here where the glasses are. I'm just going to add ears. So just a curve out, and let's add some details inside. 2 small curves. Same thing over here. I'm just going to drag this point and add a curve from my other side. The ears in. Now finally we're going to start to draw the hair. So let's come above the glasses, and we're going to start at this corner right here. We're going to start to build the bangs, and we're just going to aim towards this side. So just randomly zigzag here and there. The center part, we're going to add a longer and bigger one. A big strand right there. Go up. A smaller one, and then aim towards the bottom here. And we're just going to stop right where the glasses start, right there. And whatever space you have in between here, let's just add a curve right above each eye for the brow. So about right here. Okay, so now that we have that in, we can go ahead and draw the bang. So come once again to this corner, and we're going to go up. So right here, once again, go up, and we're aiming towards the center. So I'm going to find my center. So I'm just going to imagine a big curve up here. So I'm just going to give myself a point about right there, just to make it easier. But I'm basically aiming to draw a big dome at the top. And go all the way up. And now we can start to come back down. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's draw the sides. So we're going to come once again all the way over here and draw a curve. And right here where our center is, let's find our center once again. So about right here is where the hair is going to part. So I'm going to pop out 2 little curves right there. And this side is going to come down to about right there. A little slight curve and connect it. So same thing over here. Come down, say about right there. And round it off. And we're going to come right back down. There. Now for the buns. So let's come to the edge right here. Smooth out my curve. Okay, so about right. So this is our center. So it's just going to be a nice big bun about right here. I'm just going to come up 1 curve and 2 and 3. So this is my center. So just remember that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. 2 and 3. So then now we can go in with the details. Just add these curves. Comes across to there, and just add this one down. So same thing over here. So I'm just gonna drag some points across, just so it's approximate. So right here I'll start. And 2, and once again to my center, so about right there, and connect. And once again, connect it with a curve. There. Now we'll go back in later with and draw in all the little lines. But I want to get the body done now. So let's come to the center. So about right here, let's give our doll right here some shoulders. Small little shoulders, so about right here, nice and even. And then let's come to the center. And we're going to draw a little V. And so this is her shoulders. I'm just going to come about right here on both sides. and give myself 2 lines for her body. So now I can kind of see where her outfit's gonna start. And let's see here. So now we gotta draw this collar here that's in the front right here. So let's come out, pop out this collar, zigzag, and let's finish this. I'm stopping about right there where that other side is. And you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and connect this, make it a little bit easier. Okay, so we've connected that. Let's just bring this all the way down. And now we can just go ahead and bring that in. So we're gonna draw the other side. So the other collar, zigzag, and tuck it in. So then let's just finish off this angle right there. And then we can give her her sleeves. So right there. And the sleeves. So now for her skirt, let's poof this out on both sides. So she has these 3 ribbons that are in her skirt. If you're comfortable, you can pop out this ribbon. So I'm going to, but if you're not, you can just put the ribbons inside the skirt and finish this curve. But I'm gonna attempt it. So I'm gonna come to the center about right here. So, oh, well, on the edge right here, and I'll draw my first ribbon. So I'm just gonna draw a little ribbon that kind of pops out. And I'm going to continue this line down. So same thing over here. So I'm just going to imagine the ribbon at a curve. So right there. Pop out the bow. There. And then there's a center one right here. Whatever is easier for you. You can just put the bows inside if you don't feel comfortable popping them out. Okay, so then now I can go ahead and finish the skirt. So I'm just going to wiggle all the way across. And let's come in here with some crease lines right here. And then at the bottom right here, we're going to draw some ruffles. So just pop it out. And we're just going to wiggle all the way across. There. Now for the legs. So once again, in the center, about right here. 2 curves. Let's bring this down a little bit more so we know where our center is. And then let's bring this, our hips, so about right there. Have our legs now to draw the ballet shoe, so pop it out and connect. So same thing over here. And connect. So then let's draw some details. So bottom right here, a curve and another curve right here. And we're going to draw the laces, the ribbon. There, so we're all done with the shoes. Now for the arms. So I'm just going to simplify them and just bring this down and have it tuck right next to her skirt. So about right there, I'll end it. So same thing over here. So about right here. curve it in a little bit and just tuck it right down. And let's see here, now for all the details in the hair. So I'm just gonna start from this center part and bring down curves for the hair to give it some details. So you can draw as many as you want or as little, it's all up to you. And right here, that's gonna come to this center part right here. And once again, same thing over here. It's all from this center. And over here, same thing. We're gonna add these curves to give these buns some dimension. When you come on this side, it's going to flip to the other way. So same thing on this side. And some little details right here. And 2 little pockets. Hope I'm not going too fast. If I am, please pause the video. I just want to show you some little details you can add. So there, hope you love how this cute LOL doll turned out and I inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you do love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.